Okay, today we're going to learn how to make a histogram and a box plot using Desmos. So how I got here was typing in desmos.com/calculator in the search bar. Once I'm here, I am going to click this plus button in the top left corner that says add item, and I'm going to add a table. Your X1 is going to be the number of respondents that you have, and your Y1 is going to be what their answer was to the question. So I just made some fake data here. And as you can see, there are dots over on my graph. To get those off, I'll just click the green button next to the Y1. So let's pretend that I asked the question, how many siblings do you have? So this is saying that respondent 1 responded saying that he or she has 1 sibling. Respondent 2 said that he or she has 2 siblings. Respondent 3 said he or she has 4 siblings, and so on. So it's really important to remember that the X column is the number of respondents, and the Y column is their responses to the question. To make a histogram, I'm going to click on the next box down here. And then you're going to open the keypad that's in the bottom left corner and click on functions. And then we're going to go here to distribute, or DIST, which stands for distribution. And then click on histogram. Now remember, for our data set, we can choose X1 or we can choose Y1. We're interested in Y1 because that tells us the respondents' answers to my question, how many siblings do you have? Okay, so when I do that, it gives me my histogram. And then if I want to make a box plot, I'm just going to click on this next box down here. Again, I'm going to show the keypad in the bottom left corner, go to functions, and then click box plot, and then we're using the Y1 data set. Now the box plot, as you can see, is literally on top of the histogram. So to offset it, you can change this number. So if I click 5, that makes it go above the histogram so I can see what I'm working with. The height is going to be how tall your box plot is. So if I put a 7, it makes it really tall. I'm going to keep mine at 1. But this is how you're going to make your histogram and your box plot using Desmos for the data that you selected.